Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I made my vision board on my iPhone. And so I'm not going to make this video too long. Let's just get started. The apps you will need to make your vision board will be Funto and Pinterest, and you can also use Google Images to find your images. So let's get started. So you're going to want to open Funto first, and this is what you open up to. So you press the camera emoji and you go to plain images. Now we're not going to focus on the ones below the black and white squares. So we're going to pick either the black or the white, whatever background fits your needs, pick whatever one you want. I'm going to pick white for the purpose of this video. So you're going to want to resize it to fit your iPhone's need. So you're going to go where it says 2048 times 2048, and you're going to want to pick whatever your iPhone is. I have the iPhone Pro Max, so I'm going to pick that. And then you'll have this image. So what you're going to do is pick the square with the arrow pointing forward, and you're going to want to use and save. The key thing to this whole video is to make sure you save all your work, because this image can get lost and you'll have to start all over. So at this point, you go out of the app and you can go to Pinterest or Google Images. I'm going to Pinterest, and you have to discover what you want your vision board to focus on. There's so many things you can pick. I've already personally picked my images, so I'm just going to go to photos. And as you see, I have all the pictures that I'm going to insert. So, boom, you go back to Funto, and you're going to want to pick the three little bars at the bottom and put add image. So, at this point, you can resize it to your liking, and that's pretty much all you do, you guys. Just pick your image because it's just really that simple. And just insert more photos and to look at all the things you come up with. And we're just gonna fast forward to watching if you feel the need to. And you also can resize it, so don't worry about that. And you can also tilt your photos to whatever degree angle you want it to be. As you can see, a lot of my photos caters to, so a lot of the things on my vision board is surrounded around the fact that I want to get better at taking care of myself and having self. Never know what someone's going through based off of their appearance, and a lot of people can be judgmental about that. So this year I really want to make sure you do, because a lot of the time people don't know what you go through, but they'll be so judgmental to any and everything that you do. I also want to travel. I really want to travel. I want to go on at least 3 trips. I want to have trips planned, not just saying, oh, I'm going here and there. No, I want to be able to say a new place. I feel like that's something that I can't wait to do. I want my images to go, and I'm going to come back and tell you guys the end result. hardest to get at that goal, because I really want to be able to have my own thing, my own little place, my own, my own place. I would explain why I picked certain images, but this video is really not supposed to be as long as I anticipate it to be. But just know all of the things that I'm inserting is very significant to what is currently going on in my life as of now. And I'm really enjoying everything that's been coming to my senses. I'm very happy. I'm in a space where things are happening. New things are happening for me, and I'm just blessed, honestly. And basically, that is all that you do, really. I have another photo that I want to show you guys where I did a better job of doing my vision board. But for now, I feel like this is fine to show you an example of what I did. So once you get all the photos and quotes that you want to do, you just save image as PNG and save project. And it will look something like this, you know. And I want to show you, this is the vision board I made. I didn't show you guys how to do the text. So all you do is really tap on the border and it will say add text. And you could put like 2020 vision board. I didn't put vision board because it's technically not a board. You reposition it and you can pick style and change how you want your wording and the style of it to look like. You can also change the font. My favorite font is, where is it? It's called Jenna Sue. This is my favorite one. And you can also resize this to make it big. And boom. There you have it. There you have it, guys. Input on what I should do as far as my videos, and I hope I get better, and I'm gonna really try my hardest to edit and be consistent on my channel. Please comment, because those mean a lot to me. Definitely gonna do a giveaway. It's gonna be a Cash App money giveaway, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, and bye.